Hey guys, I'm showing you this rechargeable LED hands-free flashlights. You can see like this can be used for any repairing work, fingers, light gloves for reading, Father's Day gift or any other thing. So comes in a really nice box, packing box, and there are two pairs as you can see it here. So this is the touch on the top and the band to lock in whatever the wrist size you have. So I'm just wearing it. It's a comfortable grip for the wrist, and this also have this resizable band. So once this is put, you can see like you can put this on your fingers. You can choose any finger you want. So these are flexibles here, and this is touch. So these are the touch light with that different things that you can do. You can wear on any skin. You can also do like things. And this is the charging cable, is a magnetic charging cable. So I'm just showing you to on the other one. So it's the same other band with the same band and everything. So this is a magnetic charger. You can see like it just clicked, attracted and sticked. So the charging start with the red color you can see. So it's really nice design with the charging, magnetic charging with the band to for the both hands. And here also like you can adjust these rings with this types, and also like the other side. So these are the flexible cable here, these are the bands here. You can adjust these here with the flexible bands, and also with the lights. So you can put in any finger as I mentioned. You can just enjoy these lights. So with the bands, it's a sticky velcro band here. uh, so the other good thing is like these lights, they are also 360-degree rotation one, so you can rotate these lights the way you want, so straight side or whatever. So nice design, nice flashlights.